Hi, my name is Hilary Wong, and I'm a librarian here at SUNY Cortland. And you can tell that I'm a librarian. I'm representing as a librarian today because I'm wearing my Dewey Decimal System dress. Don't know how much you can see, but it's pretty glorious. It has pockets. We actually use Library of Congress here at SUNY Cortland, but I've yet to find a Library of Congress dress, so I'm representing the way that I can. Anyway, I happen to be the liaison to biology, geology, chemistry, and physics. And what that means is that I'm the go-to librarian for those disciplines. But you guys are transfer students, right? So you are in all sorts of majors, but you're welcome to reach out to me anyway. My job as a librarian is to help you in your library research in your classes. So you can feel free to reach out to me. So what we're doing today is this tutorial for you. So if you please go through all the tabs on the side and work through each of them, read everything that's there, and then when you're done, there is a little escape room activity. But instead of an escape room, it's escaping the library. So it's kind of cute and fun, and I hope you enjoy it. And please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I will be checking in with you guys a little bit later. There's a spot at the end where you can ask questions if you want. Anyway, enjoy and have fun.